In this video, we'll show you how you can move all your passwords from your iPhone to a Samsung Galaxy phone without using any PC or Mac. So for this, what you first need to do is head to the App Store and download this Bitwarden Password Manager app. You only need to download this app temporarily, so don't worry about it. At the end of the video, all your passwords will be available in the Samsung Pass app. So make sure to download this app temporarily and then create a free account. Once you have got the Bitwarden app set up on your iPhone, what you need to do is head to the Passwords app. Now here you will need to tap the three dot icon at the top and then select Export Data to another app. Now select all the password using this Select All button and then hit Continue. Tap on Continue again. Now select Bitwarden from here and then hit Continue. Now select Continue in Bitwarden. Finally, click on Continue to confirm. Now as it says here, please don't close the app during the transfer. Now as you can see, all your passwords are now moved to the Bitwarden app. Now on your Samsung phone, open the Google Play Store and then search for the Bitwarden Password Manager app. Now install the app from here. Now open the app and then sign in with the same account that you used on your iPhone. Once you have signed in, go to this Settings tab at the bottom and then go to Vault. Now here you should see this Export Vault option. Simply select that and then set the format to CSV. Now you need to enter your password one more time to confirm your identity. Now finally select Export Vault and then select Export Vault again. Now it will ask you where you want to save the file, so simply select any location and then hit save. Once the export is successful, what you need to do is open the Samsung Wallet app, go to the All tab and then tap the three dot icon and then select Settings. Now here go to Import and Export Samsung Pass. Now verify your identity. Now select Import Data and then select the Bitwarden export file and then hit Done. Now it will ask you to verify your identity again. Finally hit Continue to confirm and all your passwords are now imported. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.